All right, first I want to talk to you about Jasper. I sell their product, engines, transmissions. I love their product. They're a 3-year, 100,000 mile parts and labor nationwide warranty. You can't ask for anything better than that. First of all, I've been through their plant. I see all their procedures and everything they do. They do everything first cabin. There's nothing left out. And I even ask the employees how they like working there. You can't find an employee that doesn't like to come to work. And I'll tell you, you find a company that has over 1,500 employees that they like coming to work, that's amazing. And one very important thing I want to emphasize is Jasper is also an American company where everything is manufactured right here in the United States. Now we feature the following Jasper video.
Ask your local automotive installer to install a Jasper remanufactured diesel engine and install confidence. When you choose a Jasper remanufactured diesel, your vehicle will run with like-new performance for a fraction of the costs associated with replacing it. New vehicles are expensive. Used vehicles often prove unreliable. Jasper offers a smart alternative. We'll add years to the life of your vehicle and provide reliable transportation without the increases in taxes, license fees, and insurance premiums that result from the purchase of a vehicle. Our processes reflect our high standards and advanced technologies. All work is completed in the U.S. by Jasper technicians. Every engine is completely disassembled. All parts and components are cleaned to remove contaminants and then thoroughly inspected. Crankshafts and camshafts are carefully machined and demagnetized. The block, connecting rods, and heads are likewise machined and carefully gauged for dimensional accuracy and tolerances. Fuel components are remanufactured to precise standards using state-of-the-art equipment in a temperature-controlled, electronically filtered environment. Every Jasper diesel receives a standard set of new parts. No detail is overlooked. Precision is the name of the game because the slightest deviation from specifications can impact engine performance. Our remanufacturing process is so thorough, we often reveal and correct flaws inherent in original engine designs. Like all Jasper products, our diesel engines always meet and often exceed manufacturer standards. Finally, every running complete engine is live-run dynamometer tested with computer-assisted controls and readings. We stand behind every engine with a nationwide transferable warranty. Our optional premium service plan for most applications adds even more value to our warranty by including premium labor coverage, towing, and fluid reimbursement. Click on Find a Price for an estimate or select the installer locator to find a Jasper installer near you. Install a Jasper engine. Install confidence.